So in your computer, first you must open your Microsoft Word, MS Office in your Windows computer, and after that you must simply go to your computer keyboard, and where you can see this is the number lock. You must press this number lock. Now you can see that we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see the Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here in this section. You must type 1 2. After typing 12, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that this symbol, that is the female symbol, have been arrived here. So we have created this symbol. So in your keyboard, first you must turn on the number lock. Now you can press and hold this Alt key. After that you must type here 128105. After that you must release this finger from the Alt key. So you can see that an emoji showing woman have been created here, and you can simply change the color also from here. If you want to change the color, you can change the color also from here. For more, subscribe.